guys, what is up, and welcome back to my channel and another episode of Battle of the Dupes skincare edition. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs, Miracle Glow Oil as well as Larimar Elixir. And in this episode of the Battle of the Dupes, we will be putting Freeman Mask to the test. Technically, last time I did this, I called it Battle of the Dupes, but it's actually going to be compare and contrast Freeman Mask. I don't know why I called it Battle of the Dupes, but it is Battle of the Dupes because I like that name for this show. So anyways, we're going to see if these get Shundara's stamp of approval. So today we'll be putting Freeman's Avocado Purifying Clay Oatmeal Mud Mask. That sounds like a lot of words. And then we'll be doing the Detoxifying Black Sugar Mud Mask. So the one is a mud mask and one is a clay mask. This one is a clay mask and this one is a mud mask. They pretty much, let's see, we're going to start off with the ingredients. So the first thing I noticed is that they pretty much have water and bentonite clay. The list of ingredients is a little bit longer on the black sugar charcoal side. So I guess they're calling it a mud mask because of the charcoal, while this is a clay mask. And the ingredients are a little shorter on this side. So this one is a purifying mask and this is a detoxifying mask. I don't know, if we look up the definition of purifying and detoxifying, you would kind of consider them the same thing. So I don't know if maybe they just use different words and different ingredients, but in my definition, in my head, and just not Googling, I'll have to probably Google later when I have the mask on my face, but I would think purify and detoxify is the same thing. Isn't it cleansing? When you detox, you cleanse the body. When you purify, you're cleansing. So I'm under the assumption it's the same definition, just different words. So Freeman, that's why I said we're going to put them to the test and see which one is better. The ingredients are a little longer, like I said on this side. Now let's swatch the mask. So we'll start. Side note, my hands are dry, so they'll be a little ashy. It's really windy here in the desert, so please forgive my ashiness. So we're going to just do the avocado swatch first. This one smells really good. It's a nice clean scent. I really like this scent so much. It smells really good. And this one, we're going to swatch that one. It is more of a perfume scent. I don't like it a lot. So that I will say. And this one supposedly has black sugar in it. And sucrose is like the 5th ingredient when it comes to black sugar. So I will say, let's do a close-up. I'm going to autofocus for you guys. So I will say that this mask right here is a little watery on the watery side. But there you have it. That's the swatch. And then let's do the avocado. So I will say this, the charcoal clay mask, or I think it's the mud mask, the black one, really is a little more watery and it glides on smoothly. And this one's very thick. So that's the swatches for you guys, if you could see my skincare swatches. So now let's put them on the face. Actually, let's read the back of them first before we really get into this. It says, this velvety mud mask works its magic to moisturize, remineralize, and make skin essentially soft. Activated charcoal lifts away oils and toxins without over drying skin. Black sugar helps hydrate skin and smooth away roughness. Perfect for normal to skin combination. And this one says, nourish and purify. This award-winning mask, rich clays dive deep to purge dirt oils from pores. Avocado and vitamin E help moisturize for lasting soft. So pretty much, and this is perfect for combination, normal to combination skin. So they pretty much do the same thing. They lift away oils, deep purge dirt and oils. One is purging the dirts and one is lifting the oils and pores. I mean dirt and oils from the pore away. So this is lifting and this is purging. Like I said, in my head, from what I know, the definition of purifying and detoxifying is the same thing, to cleanse. Would that be oh my God, I got it on my, see me talking too much, I got it on my shirt. With that being, This is just turning out to be a catastrophe already. It's splattering everywhere. With that said, we're just going to put them on. So I'm going to start. Oh, this is the first time I'm ever using my hands. So I'm just going to start by putting this mask, the charcoal, the black charcoal mud mask, as I'm smoothing it on my face. If I'm talking so fast, I'm sorry, you guys. But as I'm smoothing it on my face, like I said, it is really watery, like very watery compared to the avocado mask. Like, even if you could see, the slip is very watery. So that's something you need to know. Okay, you guys, so this side is officially on. Let's do a close-up. I got it everywhere, so I know it's all over my outfit. I'm so mad. So yeah, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it goes on smoothly. There's really no dry patches yet. And then now we're going to do this side with the green mask. So like I said, this mask goes on a little thicker than the black sugar, the charcoal black sugar, and it smells better. So this one goes on a little thicker. It's not as watery as it's a little thicker. I think the light is kind of not showing you guys what it really looks like, but it's not as watery as this side. Okay, so both masks are officially on my face. I will say there's no cooling sensations, no anything like that. I will say this side is a little more streaky. Like when I reviewed the mask, this side is very streaky. You may not, oh my God, it fell. You know, what is it? The case of the Mondays on a non-Monday is going on in this house. But I will say this side is a little more streaky. I don't know, because they added less water to this side of the mask, and this side is not as streaky. So yeah, this one has a little more slip and grip, and this side doesn't have as much. So if we're comparing these two masks, I would say on a note of easy apply, nice and smooth, I'm giving this side for the win, the black sugar mud mask versus the avocado and oatmeal. This one is pretty streaky when I put it on. Like, let me turn the light down for you guys so you guys can see. Can you see, like, every time I put it on, it's just really streaky, like, just streaky, like, streaky. And when you do this side, it's not as streaky. So that's the difference between the two masks so far. So I'm just going to let them sit on my face. If there's anything going on, I'm going to let y'all know. So we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so we're back. It is dry, and I wanted to show you guys it dry, and let's critique it. So the first thing that I noticed is, like I said, since this one's always streaky, it's a little more flaky. The light is a little too bright, so let's turn the light down so you guys can see. You guys see a lot of the flakiness of it, and this side is just nice and smooth. I can literally see it drawing out all my impurities. Can you guys see? Like, look it. Look it. So yeah, that's the mask. So now I'm gonna dry it. I'm gonna wash my face, and then we could talk about it a little bit. I will say this side is more tightening though. So this side is not as tightening, but this side is more tightening. But I felt like this side drawed out a lot of the impurities in my opinion. But let's go dry, wash it off. Okay, you guys, so my face is officially clean with the mask all off of it. Now, before I put Miracle Glow oil on, we're gonna see. Now, I will say I kind of like the black sugar side better than the avocado side, which is shocking that this is an award-winning avocado mask. But I like this side better. If we're comparing, like, you can see like my pores are opening on this side, but on this side of my face, my right side of my face, my pores are literally smoothed down. There's a little redness. I do feel more drying on the right side of my face where the avocado mask was, you guys. So that's a little tidbit I would say I noticed. Let me do a close-up. There is a little bit of remnants of it. Can you guys see? Let me turn it down, make sure. Can you guys see? Look it. That's what I was talking about, those white pores right there. And can you see how smooth this side smooth this side is versus this side. This was the avocado. So yeah. So as always, I'm going to put Miracle Glow oil on my face, which you find at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow oil contains all natural oils as well as 24 karat gold orange essential oil. So make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for Miracle, ooh, my band-aid, for Miracle Glow oil. And it's just to moisturize my face. Make sure it's all nice and moisturized. Okay, you guys, so let's talk about the mask. Which one gets Shundara's stamp of approval? This one. If I was new to Freeman and I was buying a mask, I would pick this one. They pretty much both do the same thing, but that one is a little more natural than this one, the mud mask. But I will say my pores did look smoother. They were much more defined, not defined, but refined. I really enjoyed the mask. It wasn't as tight, and you could literally see it draw out the pores. This one was a little flaky. Not only was it flaky, it was kind of patchy when I swatched it, and I kind of felt as I was washing it off of my face, it was a little more heavier. So those are, I mean, that's here nor there, but if you're like really particular on stuff like that, then you would probably notice that. So if you're new to Freeman, I would kind of suggest buying the black sugar clay mask versus our mud mask versus the avocado and oatmeal clay mask. I kind of really enjoy this mask, and that maybe it's because it just had bentonite clay, whereas in the oatmeal and avocado one had kaolin clay as well as bentonite clay. So it had two more clays in it, one more clay, and the other one did. Let me see, did this one have kaolin clay? It actually did, but it was the first two ingredients, whereas in the avocado one, kaolin clay is like the fourth or fifth ingredient. So maybe that's another reason why I enjoyed the charcoal mask, even though it had a little more, even though it had more ingredients. Kaolin clay and bentonite clay came right after water, whereas on the other hand, the oatmeal and avocado mask, kaolin clay was like the fifth ingredient. So if you're new to Freeman mask, buy this one first and then go ahead and try it. Side note, this one is always out of stock anyway, but if I had to choose, I think I would pick this one first as my favorite one. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Compare and Contrast Battle of the Dupe Skincare Edition. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you so much. Bye.